9 reasons why we should go to the moon, not to Mars. 1. It's our closest neighbor in space. The moon is very close to Earth. It only takes 3 days to get there. Mars is much farther away. A trip to Mars takes at least 6 to 8 months. The Apollo missions brought forgotten items to the moon in just a few days. On Mars, resupply missions would take years to plan and execute. 2. Moon soil can support plant growth. In 2019, China's Chan, the 4 mission grew cotton seeds on the moon. They sprouted and grew 2 leaves. Then they die in the lunar night. Experiments on Earth have shown that bacteria can help plants grow in lunar soil simulant. Marigolds have been successfully grown in this way. Mars soil simulants have also supported plant growth. But real Martian soil may be more challenging. 3. Communication is easy. Radio signals reach the moon in just 1.3 seconds. This allows for near real-time communication. With Mars, there's a 3 to 22 minutes delay each way. 4. There is water on the moon. The moon has water ice in its polar craters. These Martian are always in shadow. The ice stays frozen there. The moon may have 100 times more water than previously thought. We could use this water for drinking. We could also use it to make rocket fuel. Mars has water too, but it's harder to access. 5. Moon gravity is easier to adapt to. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's. This is different enough to be interesting, but it's not so extreme that it's dangerous for long stays. Mars has about 1/3 of Earth's gravity. No human has experienced this level of gravity for extended periods. The long-term effects are unknown. 6. Solar power works on the moon. The moon has no atmosphere. This means sunlight reaches the surface directly. Solar panels would work very efficiently there. Lunar days are 2 Earth weeks long. This provides long periods of continuous sunlight. On Mars, thus, storms can block the sun for months. 7. The moon is made of similar materials to Earth. The moon likely formed from debris after a Mars-sized object hit early Earth. Its composition is very similar to Earth's crust. The lunar regolith contains silicon, oxygen, aluminum, and other elements. Mars has a different composition. Its surface is rich in iron oxides, giving it a distinct red color. 8. The moon has stronger protection from solar radiation. The moon has areas of constant shadow in its polar craters. These regions could shield astronauts from harmful solar radiation. Some craters are estimated to be 2 to 3 miles deep. Mars lacks these natural radiation shelters. Its thin atmosphere provides little protection from cosmic rays and solar particles. 9. The moon could help us explore further. In the future, spaceships might stop on the moon to refuel. The moon's low gravity makes it easier to launch from. There's water ice at the poles. We can split this into hydrogen and oxygen. These make great rocket fuel. Some rare materials on the moon are useful for spaceship parts. There's an estimated 1 million tons of helium-3 on the moon. It could power future fusion engines. The moon could be like a gas station for space travel.